Instagram marketing is a type of social media marketing which involves promoting a brand on Instagram. This social media platform helps brands connect with an enormous audience, increase brand awareness, and boost sales. Why is Instagram marketing important for businesses? Instagram is the perfect channel to reach an enormous audience, over 1 billion active users monthly. On average, users spend 53 minutes per day on Instagram, which makes this platform the second most visited social network after Facebook. Instagram facilitates maintaining your relationships with customers and prospects. People enjoy being connected with brands through this network. 90% of users follow at least one company on Instagram. Over the past few years, Instagram has evolved from being a place for flexing wealth or achievements to a helpful platform for business purposes. There are 4 ways Instagram can affect your business positively. Brand strengthening. Instagram marketing works wonders for brand awareness. 83% of users confess that this social network helps them discover new products or services. Better yet, people show more trust in the brands presented on Instagram. 74% of users consider brands with Instagram accounts relevant and 78% perceive them as popular. In contrast, brands that do not have an Instagram account are likely to be avoided by potential customers. Improved engagement. Social networks are one of the best channels to maintain relationships with customers. They allow you to get feedback from your audience through likes or comments, engage them with captivating content, notify them about special offers, and more. In turn, Instagram works for customer engagement even better than other social platforms. Usually, a photo on Instagram gets 23% more engagement than a post on Facebook, though the latter platform has 2-fold more active users. Enlarged sales. We already know that the Instagram audience makes purchases willingly. This buying audience is gigantic. 11% of social media users in the US shop on Instagram. Knowing this peculiarity, Instagram lets businesses make the most of their platform. Instagram offers a robust set of tools that allow users to shop right from Instagram. Among them are links in Instagram stories, shopping tags, ads, and more. Consider reading the full list on the Instagram website. Audience growth opportunities. Instagram boosts your business's reach by letting you define your target audience precisely. This opportunity is available on Instagram Ads Manager thanks to its targeting options. With them, you can pinpoint the most suitable audience according to demographic data, interests, behavior, and more. Better yet, Instagram Ads Manager provides you with robust retargeting options. Targeting and retargeting coupled allows you to not only drive more qualified Instagram leads, but also nudge leads from other channels down the sales funnel effectively. Instagram marketing strategy. 1. Set your goals. 2. Define your target audience. 3. Analyze your competitors. 4. Get a business account. 5. Design your content. 6. Build a consistent aesthetic. 7. Configure an editorial calendar. 8. Grow your follower base. 9. Turn followers into customers. Every marketing channel needs a well-designed strategy to drive amazing results for your business. To build a strategy for Instagram marketing, follow our step-by-step instructions. 1. Set your goals. Start crafting your Instagram marketing strategy by setting goals. Goals will underlie everything you do on Instagram, from defining your content formats to using advertisement mechanics. Popular objectives brands try to leverage through Instagram are increasing brand awareness, reputation management, building a community, sales acceleration, getting customer and market insights, and more. 2. Define your target audience. Determining your audience is an essential step. Miss it, and all your efforts to achieve business goals will fall flat. A pro tip here is to craft a buyer persona. Learn who your typical customer is, their age, gender, occupation, location, income level, and so on. The better you know your customers, the better results you will get. A major mistake to avoid here is crafting a make-believe persona. Use a data-driven approach instead of guesswork. To get information about your potential customers, you can explore Instagram hashtags related to your business. For instance, if you are marketing an event agency, you can examine number event planner, number events, or number event styling. 3. Analyze your competitors. To get your head around Instagram marketing, research your competitors' profiles. Find out who they are, what kind of content they post, how they interact with their audience and other brands or influencers. You can also research your rivals' branded hashtags to get a hint of how popular they are. Try to focus not only on successful tactics, but also spot the things your competitors might be missing. This will help you come up with effective and unusual tactics for your brand promotion. Imagine that you are marketing a psychologist's practice through Instagram. Typical doctors on Instagram publish static images with instructions on diagnosing psychological conditions. Thus, to stand out, you can entertain your audience and post videos with interesting psychological experiments. 4. Get a business account. Instagram offers its users two types of accounts, personal and business. The latter gives you a lot more benefits and opportunities. For instance, you can track your performance in real time, learn more about your followers' behavior, add information about your company, and more. Follow our precise step-by-step guide to switch to a business account and then return here for some non-technical marketing tips on setting up your profile. Here they are. Create a perfect bio. Make a 150-character description of your business, focusing on why it stands out. Optimize your profile photo. It should be recognizable and reflect your business. You may opt for a logo, but remember that Instagram shows it as a 110x 110 pixel photo. Link to your website. This is crucial for lead generation. Your profile description is the only place, apart from stories, where you can add a link. Use business options. You can add a category, contact information, and CTAs in business mode. Do not neglect this opportunity to get in touch with customers. 5. Design your content. Content is king anywhere on social media, and especially on Instagram. Users are finicky both for visual and text parts of it. So, the platform provides a wide variety of content formats and opportunities to win the audience. Start by thinking up the main theme and the message you want to deliver. You may opt for showcasing your products, focusing on your company's culture, or entertaining your customers. 6. Build a consistent aesthetic. No matter what type of content you choose, keep it beautiful, eye-catching, and high quality. To get your head around the best visual style, we've picked some statistics on popular Instagram images. Light tones generate 24% more likes than dark ones. Bluish images get 29% more likes than the red ones. Users like pictures with a high level of texture 79% more. 7. Configure an editorial calendar. An essential condition of your Instagram success is delivering content consistently. Your audience expects you to post updates regularly. On average, brands publish content 1.5 times per day. To keep this pace without going insane, create an editorial calendar. 8. Grow your follower base. Make time to grow your audience and keep them engaged. One organic way to do so is by following relevant influencers. For instance, if you market kitchen supplies, it's a good idea to follow food bloggers, kitchen interior designers, and so on. Remember to engage with their content, like their posts, leave meaningful comments, share their stories. 9. Turn followers into customers. An increase in vanity metrics, such as likes and comments, is good, but it doesn't affect your sales directly. So, take care of converting your followers into customers. Publish promotional posts, showcase your new products, run teasers, offer deals and discounts. Remember to include calls to action in your promotional posts. Although you can't add a link to your CTA in the publication, you can always encourage subscribers to tap the link in your bio.